be so much fun, so I just can't wait. Hey guys, it's your girl Cam and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited to be unveiling what I did a sort of Marvel-esque teaser, I would say, for all my comic book nerds out there, which was in my New Year's Eve video. And that is that I'm going to be doing a sort of, I guess you could call it a how-to in-depth makeup series. I decided it would be great to do for the new year, kind of like a new year, new you type of theme. And also for the new year, I'm investing in a lot of video equipment, like the new camera. I got a new mic and I just ordered some lights, so those are going to be here. They're not here for this video, unfortunately. So while you guys are stepping up your makeup game, I'm going to be stepping up my video production game, so to speak. And hopefully this just helps with having everything be clearer in my videos and helping you see better, because I do know that, you know, really high quality production videos are where it's at. That's what people want to watch and that's what I want to deliver. Basically, in this series, I'm going to take you through, I'm going to break down various things. We're going to do just foundation, just contour, just highlight, just brows, like all these things individually, from beginner all the way to more advanced techniques. And I'm going to try to be as comprehensive as possible, showing you like different mediums, different application techniques, so that you can just choose what works best for you. And if you're scared to jump into something, then you can start with, you know, kind of like the easy hacks and the easy ways of doing something, and then move into what is more advanced once you've gotten some practice in. But no matter what level you're at right now, there's going to be something in it for you, because I'm going to do all the way from basic to more advanced techniques. And of course, no one person can know everything, so obviously this is just picking my brain, but I'm going to try to be as comprehensive as possible. So while I'm doing this, I would love for you guys to get involved, shoot me a comment, let me know what you want to see, because I kind of know like what I've heard people ask about already and what I feel like are just basics that everyone should know. But if you have something in particular that you want to ask about how to do, then feel free to leave me a comment and I'll be sure to include it in my videos. I'm going to try to make this like kind of sequential so you can build it up and really like start putting everything together, and just make this my main focus in my videos for now. But I will still be interspersing some looks, like I know Valentine's Day is coming up, and I might do some reviews here and there, but for the most part, that's what I'm going to focus my videos on for the next few months. So if you're as excited for this as I am, make sure to hit that like button down below, and of course subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the videos as I upload them, because there's going to be a lot coming and you're not going to want to miss them. So if you're still around, here's 2 more videos by me that you can check out. And of course, if you haven't already, clicking on my face subscribes you to my channel so you don't miss out on this amazing series. Alrighty, I love you guys so much. I'm so excited to be doing this, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!